Click on the link below to get price. The electric bike for adults with a 70-mile range, capable of reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour, and powered by a 1500W peak brushless motor, is an impressive offering for both casual riders and serious enthusiasts. From the moment you hop on, it's clear that this bike is built for performance and comfort. One of the standout features is its powerful 1500W brushless motor, which provides an exhilarating ride. Whether you're tackling uphill climbs or cruising on flat terrain, the acceleration is responsive and smooth. The 28 miles per hour top speed is thrilling and makes commuting a breeze, reducing travel time significantly. This bike doesn't just excel in speed, it also offers a remarkable range of up to 70 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for longer rides and commutes without the anxiety of running out of battery. The 48V 10.4Ah lithium-ion battery is another highlight. Its quick charging capability allows you to get back on the road in no time, and the battery's longevity ensures that you can enjoy multiple rides before needing a recharge. The bike's design is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame that supports a comfortable riding position. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to various heights, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. The bike also features disc brakes for reliable stopping power, which is crucial when navigating urban environments or uneven trails. The inclusion of LED lights enhances safety during nighttime rides, giving you peace of mind. Overall, this electric bike combines performance, comfort, and safety, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. Whether for daily commuting, leisure rides, or weekend adventures, it delivers on all fronts, providing a thrilling, efficient, and enjoyable ride. It's a fantastic option for those eager to embrace the benefits of electric biking.